Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to a 143 scale video. And today we have a Fast and Furious car. There's a full line of these, I think, with almost all Fast and Furious cars. These are made by DeAgostini. And as you can see, this is the Paul Walker's Escort that I think was used in the 6th installment. It was driven on the highway where they were chasing after Decker Shaw, who was driving in a tank. I believe it was a tank. I think it was a tank. And yeah, this was driven by Paul Walker. So this is the Ford Escort Mark 1 RS1600. There's no good information in the back. I don't know why it says Honda there. Completely no idea. This comes super easily off, so we'll take that away. This is being held by a very annoying triangle screw, which I still don't know why I haven't bought. But yeah, I'll get it off the base and I'll be right back. So here's the model. Oh, I'm noticing some issues with it from the get-go. Or is it not an issue? I'm actually not sure anymore. So we have this frame inside, and I can't really understand if it's supposed to be like that. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Maybe, I don't know. So there's a safety frame inside. And if you look closely from this angle, I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like it's leaning to one side. Or maybe not. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just seeing stuff wrong. These very nice rims. The lines on the side. This one has actually, well, this one looks a little bit bigger, but that's fine. The back. Now I'm curious about these tail lights. Are they inserted? Yes, they are. Okay, they look like painted, but no, they are actually inserts in there. It's just they're extremely flat, so it's a bit confusing looking there. But yeah, like I said, we have we have like these racing seats in there. Full roll cage. The steering wheel is on the right side since it's a British car. Well, it was used in Britain. It was actually supposed to be auctioned in the movie, but well, it did get auctioned. It got bought, I think. Or it's been a while since I've seen the movie, so I'm sorry about my lack of knowledge. It says Ford on there. This one comes with plastic base. It has rubber tires. And mostly, this thing looks very nice. Looks like it's going to be a roller. Yes, it is. Without any issues whatsoever. That's a bit of a... Nah, it's actually very nice. For a model, it does roll very, very good. So, a very simple, quick video on the model. Not expensive also. I paid less than 10 euros for this guy. So, yeah. Pretty worth it. I've seen these go for way more, for 15 or so. Even up to a 20. I am not paying that much. Maybe if it's something you really, really want, up to a 15. If this one gotten for 15 and up, I would have not been interested in it. Since it was 10, okay, I can do 10. So, yeah. Very cool. Very cool. Would like to get a stock version of this. Since I know this is a movie version, I would like to get a stock version or maybe a fully rally version. I've definitely seen those. So, yeah, we'll see how that goes in the future. So, yeah. Hope you guys liked this video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.